pretty pink rocks and it get me going. G23, but I wanna be Kobe. Not all probably cause I wanna be Wayne. Cup like grandma recipe. Never speak on that lady in vain. I leave her home with the best. Going outside.
What is good, guys? Today we're gonna be I'm getting some paint and I'll be painting my frame white and painting the plastic black. And what my plan is with the 4-wheeler is I'm gonna make it into a race bike. I'm gonna put a cam on it, big bore, and I'm motor swapping it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get the tripod and I'm gonna set y'all up and y'all gonna watch me take out the plastic. So let me go get the tripod. Well, as soon as I'm up here, I'm gonna break down the thing. So I have a CRF50 I'm doing a build series on right now, and my 4-wheeler and my dirt bike. We're not building a dirt bike right now, but I have a bunch of parts for the 50. I just gotta go get it. And when I get it, we're gonna start building it. But got the tripod. I'm gonna go strip down the bike a little to paint the plastics down, paint the frame. I wanna order the motor. So peace out. I'm gonna go put the camera up. Okay, we have the tripod set up. It's gonna be a little noisy out here because of the AC unit being right next to my bikes. So we're gonna set y'all up right here. That'd be perfect. I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse so you don't have to hear the AC. When it stops, I'll take it out of time lapse. So here's the montage. Okay, so now I'm gonna go get a crescent wrench to get these bolts off. Okay, now I'm back. I got the tools, so let's get to it. I'm gonna put you on the time lapse because the AC unit is still on, so peace out. I moved the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing better instead of staying right there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking off all the plastics and I'm gonna take the stickers off. In this video, I'm gonna take the plastic off, take the stickers off. Then the next, so I'm gonna have different parts of this build. So I'm gonna take the stickers off and shit, then so on. So I'll put you on another time lapse because the AC is still running. So yeah. Get back to that. Got the bolt out. And the plastic piece off. I'm putting all the bolts in the toolbox because the last 4-wheeler I built, I lost all of the bolts. So I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna go put the plastic piece up. The camera's a little crooked, but now I have to get this piece off. So I'm gonna see where all the bolts are and stuff, then we're gonna get to that. So it's actually right here. So got the line. Okay, I can kind of. It's gonna be a little hard to get these bolts out. I said it was hard, but it's not really hard. Got one bolt out. Put that. piece. I'll show you the bolt, what I got out. That bolt right there, got that bolt out. And then we're gonna move to this piece right here. We're gonna get that bolt out. So I'll put the camera closer so y'all can see. Gonna break the bolt loose, which was already pretty loose, which is really common for these Chinese bikes because they have so much rattle. Just, you know. Oh. See, it's the 50th time I dropped this damn hex head. Bolt out, and it all fell. Okay, well, one bracket out, well, two bracket out. There's one more bracket. Well, no, it's already off. So now I have so much experience with these, and I know what to take off because I already had one and I upgraded it, made it fast. So now take this front plastic piece off. Gonna have to unplug the ignition wire. Alright, so there is an ignition wire right here, and we're just gonna unplug that. Got that unplugged. Then we have to, let's see, take the gas cap off. Wait, how did it even get? Oh. Okay, let me figure this out and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so now I had to get my ratchet to 10 mil, take off these bars. Got 4 bolts right there. Gotta take off this one, this one, this one, this one. Then take off these 2 bolts. Then we'll be good. So, do that. I'm gonna put y'all in time lapse too because why not? And the AC is back on, so I don't know. Okay, so we got the bars off. Now all we have to do is get this off, these 2 bolts off. Then we can slide the bars through this and take the plastic off. So I'm gonna time lapse this also, because why not? I don't want to make this video long. This is only a part 1 to this build because it's gonna be a whole episode, or you know what I'm talking about. But let's get to it. On to next. Got that finished. Now we just gotta slide it off, and I'll show you how to do that. So you just take this, hit. Oh. And this, I'm keeping this black, or I'll paint it white probably. Or I don't know, but keep this black. Do that in the plastic file. Take this. I forgot to unplug these neutral lights. Let's see where they go. This. That's unplugged. This. Oh, those are the wrong wires. Oh, no, they're not. Where's the screwdriver? That pulled the zip tie off. And got the front plastic piece off. Man, this thing is sure dirty. I can't tell you that. Okay, now. What I want to do is, I'm probably going to hold off and I'm going to take the stickers off by myself. And next part would be on painting them. And I'll probably do a separate video on that, painting them, taking these Nerf bars off. Then I have to take the motor out to paint the frame white. So yeah. So it's gonna be the end of the video, and I'm gonna go through what we got done today. And yeah. So first we got the plastics off. Obviously, we still have to wash the bike. The plastics are right here. The stuff I want to do to it is I make it into a race bike. I'm 125 swapping it. And see, as of right now, I bought this as a part out bike. I put an upgraded carburetor on it, air filter, new lines, but they're leaking and stuff. It runs. I mean, I can start it out right now, but I can't because the neighbor, they don't like it. I'm not trying to get kids out of his house. New seat I put on it. Then let's move this out the way. And yeah, and what I want to do to it is I want to get a new exhaust, new chain. I'm going to take this battery off because we're not going to need it no more. It's going to be a kickstart. New gas tank, new motor. I'm painting the frame white, painting the plastics black, or the parts that are on, painting it black. Taking these Nerf bars off. I'm just gonna leave these pegs. And get little street tires for them. I'm lowering it more. I already lowered as much as it could go, but I'm gonna lower it. Take these little mounts, cut them off, move them right here, weld them. It's gonna be lowered. Then I put a smaller shock in the back, like a PW50 shock. Or like a CRF50 maybe. Then I'm gonna get a smaller rear sprocket, new chain and stuff, new brakes, and you know, grips, handlebars, stuff like that. And we have the dirt bike right here. I'm about to move back. So yeah, it's the bike so far. I took the baffle off and put a few holes in the bottom of the pipe to make it louder. So, yeah, I'm gonna move the bike and show you the bike and stuff to a little update. We have the bike here, so I'm gonna put a few clips in of me wheeling it right now. So, y'all go watch that. Okay, so I obviously can't ride no more because the neighbor and landlord were pissed because it's too loud. I'm buying a new exhaust for I'm ordering it whenever I can, and a Navy carburetor and air filter. And obviously I'm gonna put a little into his bike. It already comes with a lot, and it runs first kick every time. Just the throttle. I have a complaint about the throttle cable now. It broke. I put a new one on it. Still broke, but I went through 2 throttle cables in 2 days. So yeah, but the bikes are doing good. Still run. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be posting on the CRF50 and the 4-wheeler and dirt bike because I'm building both of those. So yeah, have a great day. Peace out.